Hello everybody and welcome to this pre-mortem of Blockies for Unity. So basically what is Blockies? It's those small images that you can find, for example, in your MetaMask, okay? And they correspond to the address of your Ethereum account wallets. As you can see, the blocky is the same in MetaMask that in Etherscan that everybody wears. So basically it just takes this address and converts them to something more imagey, that is more human memorizable. So how you can have it, you just go on GitHub and find about my project, and you will be able to have it in your Unity code. So basically what you do is you click here, you copy that, and as you can see, you just need to go in package manager, do add package with URL, and you have it. If you don't want to be bored with all that, what you can do is just copy this file here. That is basically doing everything. What you need to know before I show you the demo working is that you just need to do that in your project to have this image, and that my code is not my code, it's the Ethereum code in Java that has been translated by this guy to make it work in C# for form application. And my code is just the translation of that for Unity. So it's not my code, but you have it. As it's open source stuff, it's open source stuff, and mine is open source stuff. So what you will have when you copy this package in your Unity stuff, it's just a demo here. And as you can see, if I go in Ethereum, I copy this address and copy it here. Ta-da! You have the blocky of my address. Somewhat wonderful. So basically here you have a blocky mono. The blocky mono is just a stupid script to where the code is stored, where you put an address here. As you can see, you put an address, and when you do, it calls this method that will generate your texture, and this method is blockies, and that's the code that I translated from the other guy's code. So yeah, that's basically all. I hope it helped you. It will help me a lot in my project, so feel free to make a donation if you want on my Ko-fi or on my wallet, and have a nice day. May the code be with you. Bye bye.